right, there we go. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my live. Jason Brown here, hopping on. Not a normal day or time that I do a live, but I had some things on my mind that I just wanted to share. So here I am. Again, my name is Jason Brown. I'm living in Oregon, and welcome to my Facebook page, my Facebook Live. If you're seeing this on YouTube, welcome there as well. And if you're catching this on a live, please be sure to let me know that you're here. If you're catching this on a replay, give me a hashtag replay. Let me know you're here, where you're from, that sort of thing. I'd greatly appreciate it. Like to know who I'm reaching, if you will. And thank you for joining me. So yeah, I'm wanted to just hop on real quick and talk about a few things that I've noticed with regards to what's holding people back from success. You probably have seen it. Well, you've probably seen that I've been sharing some success I'm having with a new platform I got involved in about 7 weeks ago. And, I've had a lot of, be it from my stories, my page, webinars, inbox, whatever it is, I've had a lot of interactions with people asking what it is that we're doing, what's going on, how is it working, is it real, all, normal things, normal questions for sure. And we have a few videos that are extremely helpful. They provide a ton of information. We have a Facebook group that does the same. We have a weekly webinar that anyone is welcome to join and kind of see what we have going on. And I'm sharing all that information with lots of different people. And I expect and appreciate that people do their due diligence. I expect and understand some people have questions. Some have a lot more questions. That's fully understandable. And then there's some people that honestly just don't want to get out of their own way. One of the main things that we talk about is that we do simple tasks regularly to earn an income in our platform. Well, what are the tasks? Go through the tasks. There's 5-6 tasks that on a daily basis. Okay, so what else? That seems too simple. Those are the tasks. That's what we have to do. Yeah, but there has to be something else. Okay, there's not anything else. I can make some stuff up if that makes you feel better, but that's what we have to do. Those are the tasks. That's what they are. Oh, well, how do you get paid? Well, and to where it's, and believe me, I understand skepticism. I understand people have been burnt before. I understand that not everything's for everybody. I get all of that completely. And I'm not speaking to anybody specifically. These are just things that I'm running across too often, honestly. People need to understand that I've been online, on and off 4 or 5 years now, 5 years, sorry. And, I don't scam people. I'm not out here scamming people. And if you've watched me at all for any amount of time, you see that. I am who I am. This is honest. I'm Jason Brown. This is me, period. Bam. If this is not what you're looking for, you'll see, I'll tell you, awesome. Then good luck in what you do find that is a better fit for you. And when you come back and you have more questions or you want to know what we're doing, I'm happy to share it with you, and I'm happy to give you the same information that I've given you before if that's what you need to see it over time, that it really works, and that those really are, there's only 6 different things that we have to do, and that we really are being paid, and those sorts of things. Sometimes things are what they are. People are who they are. Are there bad people out there? Of course. Are there bad programs out there? Absolutely. But when you're watching me week after week after week, and I'm showing proof, I'm showing my proof, I'm showing teammates' proof, well, how fast can I get paid? If there's anybody that's going to tell you how fast you can get paid and try to guarantee it, that's probably the one to stay away from. Okay, and I'm honest. You ask me, I'll say some people have made it in this amount of time, some people have made it in that amount of time. I'm not guaranteeing you can make it at any amount of time. Are you going to do the work? Are you going to be coachable? Are you going to question every turn, every training, anything that you're a part of? Are you just going to question, or are you going to work? It really is that simple. So, at some point we have to be adults and just say, okay, this seems to really be working. I'm going to give it a shot. And when you give it a shot, give it a shot. The other part is then you want to get in, oh, why is she making more than me? Why did he get paid before I did? It could be 1,000 reasons, and I'm not willing to look into one of them. Do what you're supposed to do. Let me tell you something right here. So my first few weeks, my first 5 weeks, I made $800. I'm now into my 7th week, and I got a payment notification this morning that I'm being paid $500. Am I going to go back and say, well, why didn't I get anything that week? Why didn't I? What? Heck no. I'm going to be happy, earn that $500 and keep it pushing. I'm going to do what I've been doing, keep my head down, do what I'm supposed to do my part. Oh, well, I see you're making live videos. Is that one of the tasks? Did I say it was one of the tasks? No, it's not. It's still not. No matter how many different ways. Well, how come you're doing live videos? Because it's something I know is good for me and good for my business, so I'm going to do it. And again, I'm not attacking anybody. it's frustrating when you see people, you provide something, and even if it's not my business, any business that you're looking at, if you're going to go, just go for it. If you see people earning, and then why would you want to get in and then try to do it your way? Oh, why are they doing that? Question everything. All of those things. It's just negative energy that's not helping anybody. And I realize I just got off slightly on a little tangent there. I apologize. You don't have to do live videos. You don't have to do post videos to YouTube. Okay? Am I allowed to? Of course. Am I doing that? Yes. Is it going to help me? Absolutely. Can you earn money in our platform without doing that? Absolutely, 1,000%. People are and will and do every single day of the week. Different people. Okay? So, amazing opportunity. I know, again, that I've shared the webinars. We do those every week, 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 Central, 4 Pacific. Just come be a fly on the wall. Check it out. I can send you a replay of a webinar. We had an amazing one yesterday. We had an outstanding training yesterday. And then to wake up this morning and have a payment notification of $500, yeah, I'm hyped. I'm happy. I'm excited. All of that, no doubt. And you can be too. Hey, Kurt, appreciate you being here. So that's what I wanted to talk about. The biggest thing is get out of your own way. If you want to be a part of this platform, jump in with both feet, do everything that's asked of you, which honestly, yes, it's simple. And if it seems too simple, then be happy if it's too simple. And when you collect your first payment, say, you know what, dang, Jason, you were right. It is simple. It's work. But if you do the work and you're coachable, you can earn an income too. Yeah, I don't need you to tell me that, but you'll feel good saying it then. Then you're going to be happy. You're going to be excited right with me. And right with the hundreds of other people that are earning the same way. People, I mean, our Facebook group is flooded with payment notifications of people earning money every single day. Different people, let me make sure I quantify that. Different people every single day. There's payment in there. There's payment. People are earning money. So if you want to be a part of it, shoot me a message, drop me a comment, hit me however you want to connect with me. I'm happy to share the information. You want a live webinar? We do it next Wednesday, and then every Wednesday following. You want a replay of a webinar? Happy to share that. You want to see the website? Happy to share that. I'm going to do some videos sharing the back office. I'm going to do some videos, showing more about the platform. But I'm telling you now, in 7 weeks, $1,400, I'm pretty happy. Okay? I would think you would be too. Is it life-changing? Not yet, but it's coming. All right? I'm learning more. I'm doing more. I'm getting better every week. In fact, I'm getting better every day. I'm not even going to front. Okay? You can too. That my online presence has changed dramatically, and it will continue to. So that's what I wanted to share today. Get out of your own way. If it's with me, if it's with us and our platform, don't overcomplicate it. It is simple. And if you're coachable and do the work, you can earn an income. Absolutely. And I've been in 7 weeks, just about 7 weeks from now. See where my income is see where my income is then. I'll be happy to share it with you. I guarantee it'll be more than doubled what it is right now. So that's what I have for today. I appreciate anyone stopping by. I appreciate you catching the replay and letting me know you were here. As always, love the support, and that's what I got. So that's I'm Jason Brown, and I'm out. Peace.